reacting to What is the Biggest Number by Imagination Rule.
If you watch the counting videos that we do around here, you might think that the biggest number is 10.
No!
10 is not the biggest number.
No, it
Yeah.
certainly isn't, Excite Dog.
It is.
11 is bigger.
Wow!
So it's
That's
17
so
or
impossible
19.
to happen.
Or 20.
Right, Excite Dog. 20 is a big number. But is 20 the biggest number?
No. 21 is bigger.
Right. Or 25? Or even 30?
Oh.
Or even 84?
Now we're getting
Or
big.
96?
Or 100.
Exactly. 100 is a very big number.
100 is the biggest number. I know that because I counted that high once.
Really? Would you be surprised, Excite Dog, to learn?
Okay, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105. 105 is bigger than 100. So, Excite Dog, you're wrong.
That numbers get even bigger?
Yeah, they do. Just like how I said.
There's 101,
106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, and 115. That's even bigger than 105. So, Excite Dog, you're wrong by a lot. And by the way, if you don't know, the biggest number is actually Googleplex.
102, and even 110.
What?
120, 150, 180, and even 199.
Excite Dog looks surprised to figure out that.
200. 200 is the biggest number.
No!
Nope.
201, 202, 203, 204, 205. Bigger.
There's 201.
Yep.
250.
Yep.
287.
He's gonna say
and even
300, so yes.
300, 400, 500, numbers such as 750.
Hey, that's rude. You skipped 600. At least give 600 a chance, please.
888, and even 999.
Why can't you just go to 1,000?
And after that comes 1,000.
1,000.
Excite Dog looks like he never knew the number 1,000 exists. But, bro, what is wrong with you, Excite Dog? What is wrong with you?
1,000 is the biggest number?
Nope. And here's where we start to get really big. You can have 1,001.
Yep.
But you can also have 1,100.
If you didn't know, the amount of times I clicked my calculator that I have, I've clicked it over 12,000 times. And no, I'm not lying.
And you can even have 2,000.
Excite Dog is surprised.
2002. 2000.
Hey, could you at least do 2024?
2,222. And after 2,999, you get 3,000. And then 4,000, 5,000, and even 10,000.
10,000. That is a very big number.
And it's still not the biggest Excite Dog. There's 11,000, 20,000,
20,001, 20,002, 20,003, 20,004.
50,000, and even 99,999.
After that is 100,000.
And can you guess what comes after that?
A number bigger than 99,999?
Obviously.
100,000. And then there's 200,000, 300,000.
400,000?
That's right, Excite Dog. 400,000, 500,000, 600,000, all the way up to 999,000. And then you get a very special number. It's a number for when you have 1,000 thousands.
What? 1,000 thousands?
It's called
Million.
1 million.
Supercharge
Go,
your business
come
with the
on.
all-new Shopify point of sale. The
Bad.
all-in-one
Bad
POS.
ad.
That's a number so big, that if you started counting at 1 and counting up, taking a second for each number, it would take you 12 days just to count to 1 million.
12 days?
Crazy, right? And that's still not the biggest number.
What?
There's 2 million, 3 million, and even 10 million.
Oh, boy.
How are you getting all these images?
11
Did you
million,
make them yourself?
20 million, 45 million, 80 million, and even 999,999,999. And do you know what happens when you get to 1,000 millions?
What happens when you get to 1,000 millions?
You get
You
a
get
billion.
1 billion.
Oh, my. That is a very big number.
Yes, 1 billion is so big, it's actually 10 digits or 10 numbers long itself. Do you know how long it would take you to count to 1 billion if you counted one number every second?
How long? How long?
It would take you 31 years.
What?
To give you an idea of how big that is, right now there are 8 billion people on the planet. So it would take you 200
Actually, the video says 7,977,000,000 63,790. And right now there's around 8.2 billion people on Earth. So this is wrong. I mean, I do gotta admit, it was made a year ago. It shows right there. But anyways,
148 years to count all the humans on Earth if they all lined up so you could count one each second. And that would be without sleeping or taking breaks to go to the bathroom.
That's crazy.
I know. And 1 billion still isn't the biggest number, Excite Dog.
What?
There's 2 billion, 3 billion, 10 billion, 50 billion, 100 billion, 500 billion, 999 billion. And then guess what happens when you get to 1,000 billion?
Oh, boy. What?
You get 1 trillion.
1 trillion? 1 trillion is the biggest number?
Nope. You could have 1,000 trillion, Excite Dog, and that gets you
Quadrillion?
a quadrillion.
What?
And then there's a
Quintillion?
quintillion. Then there's a sextillion, septillion.
Hold it. You're just making these numbers up to trick me.
No. These are real numbers. They're just so big.
Yeah.
They can never be counted. Octillion, nontillion, decillion.
What about a zillion?
A zillion, Excite Dog, sounds
real
like a
number.
very big number, but a zillion is actually not a number.
Oh. Well, then, what is the biggest number?
We're getting there. Excite Dog, if you take the number 1 and add 100 zeros, you get one of the biggest numbers imaginable. It's called a Google.
A Google? That sounds like Google, the thing on the internet.
That's right.
That's
the
the
search
exact
engine
thing I'm
Google
watching this on.
is named after the super big number Google. But even Google is not the biggest number. If you
Again,
take a 1
Googleplex.
and put a Google zeros after it, you get Googleplex. And Googleplex, it's like, dog, is the biggest number that has ever been named.
So, Googleplex is the biggest number?
Yes and no. Numbers always get bigger because there's no limit to how high numbers can go. You could take a Googleplex and add 1 to it, and you'd have a bigger number. And then a bigger number if you added 2. But these numbers are so huge, only supercomputers can be used to do anything with them. Googleplex is so big, if you were to try to write it down, it would fill a book, and then another book, and then another book, and then keep filling books. Just writing that number would fill so many books that those books would fill our entire planet, our entire solar system, and then our entire
Not
galaxy, and even the galaxy next to it.
It-
So as far as saying the names of numbers, Googleplex is as big as it gets.
yeah.
Now, some people will say the biggest number is infinity.
Not a real
Infinity.
number.
Yes, but infinity is not an actual number. Infinity is an idea that means everything. So yes, infinity would be even bigger than a Googleplex, but it's not really a number. You can't count to infinity, even if you're a supercomputer. So all of this is to say, I think I might just stick to the numbers 1 to 20.
Yeah.
Thanks for looking at really big numbers with us, and I hope you learned something, because I know we sure did.
I did it.
Thanks for watching the Imagination Room. And remember, build
You're welcome. Anyways, bye.